Christmas lights are shining oh so bright everywhere in this little town.
Welcome back, everyone, and I hope you are enjoying the holiday season so far. Today I wanted to share a little home reset with you all. We're just going to be going around the house and doing things that need to be done and get caught up. I know when I have a cluttered mind, I cannot be in a cluttered space. So I wanted to give you guys some inspiration, some motivation. I also wanted to mention we do have a puppy in the house and you might hear her running around in the background. So just ignore that. If you guys missed her introduction, make sure you go back and watch my last video. She will make cameos in this, but you hear a little bit more of her story in that last video. But one of the things I love to do is start a load of laundry or run my robot vacuum or run the dishwasher, because those are all things that can be running in the background while you're doing other things. So I threw some stuff in the washer and now I'm going to get caught up on some dishes. With a little editing magic, we got the dishwasher unloaded and then we're going to go ahead and reload it right back up.
And that's the magic of Christmas to me.
Here she is. Isn't she so cute? This is our sweet little Liberty. She's just 5 months old. So, we're still going through the puppy phase with her, but overall, she's just the sweetest girl. Very shy, very timid, but she loves to love. She is just so sweet and she has just fit in with us. So wonderful. But this is her. She's so cute. She is half black lab and half German shepherd, so she is very, very smart and very, very playful. I wanted to take a quick moment to talk about something super important that can not only bring you peace of mind but also save lives, and that is smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. I wanted to quickly share with you all the wireless Siterwell smoke and carbon monoxide detector. It is an absolute must for every home. The first thing I notice and absolutely love about these Siterwell detectors is the modern compact design. It is not bulky or an eyesore. It blends right into your home. Since this smoke and carbon monoxide detector is wireless, it was super easy to install. There was no hard wiring needed, just use the included screws or adhesive mounts to install. It's completely wireless, so you can put it anywhere. Having a smoke and carbon monoxide detector in your home is so important. And I actually decided to put my Siterwell detector here in my home gym in the garage. We park vehicles in here. My husband works on vehicles. We store propane tanks, our barbecues. And I figured this was a safety concern because we did not have a detector out here. A super unique design about these alarms are the talking alerts. So instead of just hearing a loud beep, which can be really confusing, honestly, the detector actually speaks to you. It gets even better. It can interconnect up to 18 other alarms throughout your home. So that means if one detector senses dangers, they will all go off. So whether you're in the kitchen or upstairs or even in the basement, you'll be alerted instantly. Another standout feature of this detector is the built-in 10-year battery. That's right, you guys, 10 years of protection without having to worry about changing batteries. So there's no more middle of the night chirping alerts or constantly climbing ladders to swap batteries. It's reliable, low maintenance, and a total lifesaver for busy families. To add peace of mind to your home, I will have a link for the Siterwell smoke and carbon monoxide alarms down below in the description box. And thank you so much to Siterwell for sponsoring this portion of today's video. I don't know if you guys have also been feeling this way, but it just does not feel like the holidays. Luckily, last night as I'm doing this voiceover, we put all our family ornaments on the tree, put on Christmas music, and that did help. And luckily, because Christmas is almost here, you guys, and I was getting kind of sad because it just didn't feel like Christmas. So let me know if you guys are also kind of feeling that way. We're going to do a couple more things as a family to just kind of
bring the Christmas magic back before it's too late. But a Christmas coffee is something that I love to do, and I did get a new espresso machine. I finally got an espresso, and it is so beautiful, you guys. It is another Black Friday deal that I got. I shared with you guys, I got a good old traditional corded shark vacuum, and especially with Liberty in the house and her hair, it has been wonderful. I got that on Black Friday, and then this espresso machine. So I'm just kind of showing you guys what I scored for Black Friday as things are trickling in. So this is it here. It is it's wonderful. I absolutely love this. If you guys want a link to it, I'm not sure if it's still on sale, but I got a great deal on it. So it was a little bit of a early Christmas present to myself. But we're going to clean up this coffee bar. I don't know why this coffee bar is it never just looks fancy or pretty. So I wanted to fix that so I can enjoy making my Christmas coffees this season. I can put my Christmas mugs on display, my syrups, and just make this an enjoyable space that I look forward to coming down in the morning and making a coffee. We got a coffee made, we have things moving in the background, so let's move on to the family room space. As you can see, with Christmas decorations out and, having a puppy and all the things that comes with that, this room can just get a little chaotic at times. So by just taking a few minutes to give it a little reset goes a really long way. So we're just gonna fold up the blankets, straighten things out, fluff up the pillows. As you can see, little Miss Liberty is so spoiled already. This is her spot. She loves this ottoman. I vacuum it every single day and she gets a bath every single week. So lots of vacuuming in this house, but you know what? She is so worth it, you guys. We absolutely love her. But getting back to the room, I'm just gonna give this chair a good vacuum, get all that Liberty hair up. We're gonna do some fresh room spray in here and just give this, like I said, a little reset and straighten it up. As I was filming, my husband did come through the door, so that's some of his work stuff there that he set down just when he came in the door. And then we're gonna get the entryway all wiped down and cleaned up, and everything just feels 10 times better by just taking the few minutes to do this.
Make
This is a prime example of what it's like to have a black lab or a shepherd in the house, and this is with me vacuuming every single day. So the camera doesn't always pick it up, so I just wanted to show you guys I'm not just vacuuming nothing. There's definitely dog hair that accumulates along the baseboards and the corners. So I'm just using my cordless vacuum for this. I mostly love my corded vacuum for carpets, so like area rugs and stuff like that. I'm gonna move over here to the entry room. This entry room, let's be honest, it's a tiny little area, but it gets overlooked and ignored a lot. And I noticed again pet hair just accumulating over here in the corners and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and wipe this down and give it a good vacuum.
It's a little loud, but I don't think I've shown this lineup for a little bit. I love how everyone always has to comment on my little collection over here. You guys saw me, I'm getting ready to run this. It's going to vacuum and mop the floors for me. I love this thing. I've shared it before. And then here's my Tenco S5. This also vacuums and mops, but this is obviously manual. The robot does it on its own. And then this is just a cord vacuum, but it comes with a few different attachments, and it's on the charging base right here. This is also by Tenco. Don't remember the model offhand, but absolutely love these three machines. They are my absolute go-to. I also have the carpet cleaner, the Carpet Pro. Here goes my little bestie to work on these floors, because you have a black lab or a lab or golden retriever or a pet with hair. If you don't have one of these, you need one, because it's a lifesaver. But yeah, this is my little lineup here in the hallway with my little cleaning collection here. Now I'm gonna go into this bathroom. Should actually probably give Liberty a bath before I clean in there. I'm gonna see if she'll let me give her a bath.
So I wanted to give Liberty a bath. She was rolling around in the backyard, and as you guys saw, she's all up in our bed and all over our furniture. So she's gonna get a nice little warm bath. This is her dedicated bath. My husband actually got a little nozzle to add in this. It's for bathing pets. So I don't have it in this video, but it's installed now. But just enjoy the chaos and the music of this. She's really good, but she does try and escape and shakes all over the place, and the bathroom was a disaster. So we will clean up this bathroom as soon as we're done giving Liberty her bath.
Whoopsies. Come on. She's terrified of the blow dryer, so come on, Liberty. We're gonna put her outside. It's like in the 70s today. Come on, let's go. Good girl.
So cleaning this bathroom after bathing Liberty is a must because then there's just wet dog hair everywhere. It's like stuck to the tub, it's on the baseboards, it's on the floor. So I always like to bathe her before I come in and clean this bathroom. So I don't think I got it all on camera, but I was literally on my hands and knees wiping all around the toilet, the baseboards, the corners, the floors, and then just trying to get off as much dog hair as I possibly can. So we're gonna just wipe everything down and give this bathroom a reset. This is the most used bathroom in the house, so I try and come in here at least a couple times a week and clean up in here. Thank goodness for waterproof, life-proof flooring. We put this flooring in a couple years ago and it has been so great because we do have a pool in our backyard. We have 2 kids and obviously pets, so it's nice just to have the peace of mind, not having to worry about carpet, and I can just come in here and wipe up any spills or accidents or Liberty messes. You know how that goes. And I just went in with my Tenco S5. It's vacuuming and mopping. And then like I said, I did some of the stuff that was in like a tight area by hand. And then I'm letting my robot just have at it. It vacuumed and mopped my whole downstairs. And I love to run this thing all the time. It seriously takes a lot of stress off my plate on having to do the floors. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will have Siterwell linked down below in the description box, and I'll also put the link in the pinned comments as well, just so it's easy for you guys if you want to check it out. Please like and subscribe before you go. And other than that, friends, I will see you next time in a brand new video. Bye.